Yes, assalamu alaikum everyone. So the market has been a little bit harsh to people, but I still would say that SHIB has performed a bit better. Still performing quite good. Because if we talk about SHIB, just some couple of weeks ago, SHIB was already down trading at 980, and now SHIB is at 2,686. So to me, SHIB is still doing a pretty solid job, and that's good to see. Now, let's look at the EMAs one time, and you can already see that, yeah, a lot of coins are actually kind of consolidating right now. I would actually say it's more of a consolidation than a dump to the downside. I don't really think that crypto has dumped at all. It hasn't. Things are still maintained. I don't see any dump. Dump are actually more like 70%, 80%, and we haven't seen that. Maybe if SHIB does actually, move down to 1182, I would actually say that's a big dump and a discount as well. But there's one thing that I think is really cool if we check, and that's on the 4 hour time frame here. So if you look on the 4 hour time frame, there was an instance where yes, you couldn't make it to the upside. I think this was pretty much a manipulative move that we saw all over the board as well. So if you look at SHIB, we had a small, tiny, probably a double bottom here and a break to the upside, a nice good retest, but still couldn't make it back up to the main technical target of 3560, and instead Bitcoin dropped to the downside, and then we saw SHIB dropping down as well. But one thing that I think is actually pretty amazing is SHIB, understand this, has broken above this little bit of a falling wedge, which still indicates that at some point SHIB is meant to go back up to 4468, back to the technical target. So now, however, you may have done this like that, or you may look at something like this, go up, consolidate, and then finally go back up. This move is going to be a little bit unpredictable. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.